Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First, click here. Now click settings. And now click account information. Here as you see you will find your password settings. You can change it. Just click like this. And that's it. That's how to find password settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.